Does Monzo have a web portal? Scene 1, Intro. Narrator, VO. Does Monzo have a web portal? This is a question I've been getting a lot lately, and I'm here to answer it definitively. Scene 2, Hook. Narrator, VO. Before we dive into the answer, let's take a moment to think about why this question might be so important. In today's digital age, having a web portal is almost a necessity for any financial institution. It's a place where customers can access their accounts, manage their finances, and get support. Scene 3, Context. Narrator, VO. Monzo is a relatively new bank that has gained a lot of popularity for its mobile-first approach. They've been praised for their user-friendly app and innovative features. But does this focus on mobile mean that they've neglected a web portal? Let's find out. Scene 4, The Answer. Narrator, VO. The short answer is, yes, Monzo does have a web portal. It's a relatively simple interface that provides access to most of the same features as the mobile app. Scene 5, Exploring the web portal. Narrator, VO. Let's take a closer look at the Monzo web portal. Account Overview. The home page gives you a quick overview of your accounts, including your balance, recent transactions, and upcoming payments. Transactions. You can view and filter your transactions, as well as download statements. Payments. You can make payments to individuals or businesses, set up recurring payments, and manage direct debits. Savings Goals. Monzo allows you to create savings goals and track your progress. Cards and Pins. You can order new cards, manage your existing cards, and reset your PIN. Settings. You can update your personal information, change your password, and manage your notifications. Scene 6, Comparison to the app. Narrator, VO. While the web portal offers most of the same features as the app, there are a few notable differences. For example, the app provides more real-time notifications and offers some features that are specifically designed for mobile use, such as the ability to use your phone as a contactless payment device. Scene 7, Pros and Cons of the web portal. Narrator, VO. So, is the Monzo web portal worth using? Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Accessibility. You can access your account from any computer with an internet connection. Convenience. It's a good option for tasks that require a larger screen, such as managing your finances or downloading statements. Simplicity. The interface is straightforward and easy to navigate. Cons. Limited features. Some features, such as real-time notifications and contactless payments, are better suited for the mobile app. Performance. The web portal may not be as responsive as the app, especially on older devices or slower internet connections. Scene 8, Conclusion. Narrator, VO. Ultimately, whether or not you should use the Monzo web portal depends on your personal preferences and needs. If you prefer to manage your finances on a computer, or if you need to access your account from a device that doesn't have the Monzo app, then the web portal is a good option. However, if you're looking for the full range of features and the best possible user experience, the mobile app is probably the way to go. Scene 9, Call to Action. Narrator, VO. So, there you have it. Monzo does have a web portal, and it's a useful tool for managing your finances. If you're a Monzo customer, I encourage you to give it a try and see if it's right for you. Narrator, VO. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.